Mark Schneider here today, and today where they do with an engine, but like today where they build walls. No, we're not. I really should, and I'm halfway through that video of building the walls. So yeah, my videos are kind of all over the place. I have like 4 videos are in the middle because I have to wait for parts for some stuff and parts for other stuff. But today we're gonna take apart like an old engine that I don't need and doesn't run, and maybe see if we can fix it. Well, first things first, I actually have to clean off my work table apparently. These are some old tents I got. I got these old tents for free, but the main reason I accepted them, I wanted the tent poles to fix my tent poles, because I actually have a couple tents that the poles are broken. So now these can go away for now. I don't know. These can go back here for now, as I lose them all in the crevice. Good there. We do got a couple more license plates to stick on the wall. These ones I found in the yard. This we pulled from the scrap yard. Same with this. Another cool thing we got from the scrap yard was a chainsaw blade. Now the chainsaw looked the chainsaw didn't look bad, but it looked like it kept someone was tinkering on it and someone gave up and got angry. So, but the blade's still good on it. The chain's still good on it. Funny enough, so I went, oh, I'll steal this for future if I need a blade for a chainsaw. As well as I gotta flatten this one out, and these gotta go on the wall. Now we have the license plate all flattened out, gotta stick it on the wall. So got a couple more plates up. If you guys have any plates that you don't care about and want to send my way, let me know, because we gotta fill up the whole wall. Look, I have so much more wall to fill. And it's just pleasant to look at. I like it. The mismatch, and I already have a couple friends, because I have some duplicates in here. I already have a couple friends that go, oh, duplicates, and they play matching games with them, and like some of them go, oh, look how many truck ones they can find. Oh, how many car, how many this age, how many random little things they can find. It's a lot of fun, actually. So this is what we're playing with today. A Tecumseh engine. Looks like a little, maybe a 5 horsepower, can't tell. It says LAV 50 6,200. A 3082C. If those numbers mean anything to you that I just read out loud, cool, tell me. Other than that, were they taking her apart, seeing what it is with this? Because I have compression with this engine. This engine, where is it? Does have compression, does turn. Like, so. I did, oh, it smells like fresh gas. I did put fresh gas in this already. I did put a brand new spark plug in it already. I took out my brand new spark plug because I needed that spark plug for actually one of my other tractors, lawnmowers. So this guy we have nothing for. If it's not firing, I gotta check to see if it might be the spark. Because that's my only guess. It has compression, has fuel, doesn't have spark. So we're gonna take her apart. And I thought anyways, I don't need this motor anyways. This is pretty much a junk motor anyways. So why don't we just take her apart and take a look with you guys? Alright, taking out my little small Mastercraft ratchet set because I'm lazy at getting my big tools. We're just going to use this little set. That'll work. Yeah, I bet that was going to happen. Yeah, there we go. Where's my dish? So I should have said, first thing we're going to do here, is take off the front coil plate, because underneath here we'll be able to see the magneto and the coil. So these bolts are really rusty and old. That's a different size. What size are you? Surprisingly, I didn't expect these bolts to actually come out this easy. I know me saying this now in the beginning they bite me in the ass, but this motor's been sitting for how long? This came off of one of my small lawnmowers that the guy said it was sitting for 30 years. So, who knows what condition this motor's in. There's a reason why this engine didn't run. I can tell you it's full of dirt. Even though it doesn't look rusty at all, you can tell there's dirt. So I might be able to rebuild this motor because I don't see rust yet. Spins freely, so you can see here the piston firing. Everything's turning good. Everything moves smoothly, so we'll see still. This is the magneto. It's neat because it runs off the inside off a connection right here. Just one magnet to run it. So I've completely taken apart this motor. This motor is completely apart in many different pieces all over the place now, which is going to be so much fun to put back together. But I have a fairly good understanding of motors. I know how all this goes. The only thing that surprised me that I've never seen before is it just sits in there. It doesn't even attach to anything, and copper looks like copper or like scrub. I guess some type of filter, smog filter or something like that, for if it has too much pressure in the cylinder, which is really cool actually. This gear and drive shaft runs the up and downs for the injectors, for it to go, well, not injectors, right now my terminology is lost my head. Come out, you got your piston here. Now the piston I'm going to have to clean up. I can tell the piston's the dirtiest, and so I'm going to have to go and get this cleaned up. The rings on the piston actually look really good. Don't look like there's any damage to them at all, which is a surprise. No damage to the piston. Now another cool thing, I found was with this magneto. Seeing this magneto run from the center instead of the exterior was super cool. I've never seen a magneto like that. That's actually, like, it's really, really cool to me. So now I can see what it kind of looks like. It looks like either my coil is not good, even though I did hear a little shock when I was taking apart when I figured out the ground. So I think this coil might be good, so I might be able to put it all back together. We'll see, because the interior looks all good. It's a little grimy. And they clean all this grime. Yeah, clean all this grime and gunk. Spray her down, soak her overnight. I'm going to have to buy a new gasket to put it together. I'm going to have to get a new gasket for this engine. Yeah, because this one is shot. So once I get new gaskets for her and clean this up, because I'm going to have to clean up the piston head, we'll put this whole engine back together and see if we can get it running. But I'll actually leave that for another video. I'll show another video of us putting this all back together piece by piece. So this little thing will probably be a mini series of us rebuilding this engine. So yeah, what it needs to be cleaned out. I need to clean this. I need to clean the piston. I need to clean all of the internals. Clean the internals, get gaskets, get a spark plug. Yeah. And probably can stick this all back together. I do not know what one of these are. If any of you know what this is, I might want to get a new one because it is a little bit rusted. Let me know what that is. I need to get a carb for it because I don't have a carb for it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you want guys to keep updated on this engine and see how we fix it up and get it all together, because 1, I need gaskets, 2, I need a carburetor, 3, now I need a spark plug for it, and that's it. Like, as far as I can tell, everything else is good. Gonna have to clean some stuff up a little bit. She's a little grimy, but like, I'm actually really, really surprised because the guy said this was sitting outside for God knows how long, and Had no spark plug in it. It did turn and had good compression, but I couldn't get a spark out of it before I found out it was just that the coil wasn't hooked up. And like, just to find out, like, it's actually really good and it's not in bad shape. So we'll fix it up, probably use it for something. Maybe I'll even throw this one back actually on that original lawnmower and throw the engine I got for that little motor on something else. Because apparently I just keep buying small motors. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Anything I buy off of Amazon, use my link down in the description below, because you guys can see everything I buy. You can see everything that goes through my shopping cart, as well as then you guys can also go and you can support the channel. All you have to do, if you have everything in checkout, before you check out on your Amazon box, make sure you hit the link, the affiliate Amazon link in the description, and then go out with your checkout. And that doesn't cost you anything, just your time, and it helps support the channel. If you can do that, I really appreciate it. If not, well, I still thank you for watching the video and smashing that like button. So hope to see you guys in the next video. Hope to keep building this engine.